Kenyans, Ruto is trying to reinvent a police state of the 1980s and the Kenya Special Branch, plainclothes officers and terror machine. Last night, Azimio leaders, including Prime Minister and our leader, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and former Vice President, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, had their security withdrawn. This is significant. This is significant because those two offices are guaranteed security by an act of Parliament. It is not gratuitous. So this is illegal, and all members of Parliament from Azimio who actively support this cause had also their security withdrawn. This is suspending the Constitution illegally, engaging in intimidation and blackmail. They are also setting stage for assassinations promised by Moses Kuria on his social media and on his public pronouncement. There is a slow but steady attempt to introduce martial law in Kenya. We know that Mr. Ruto, who Mr. Ruto is learning from, we will not allow it. We will resist. As a country, as a people, we have come too far to look back. By dawn, the Central Park, where our members were meant to assemble, had been taken over by hundreds of plain-clothed police, uniformed officers, marked and unmarked vehicles, and goons posing as police. This too was a product of the meeting in Thika. It was a pursuit of the prediction by Moses Kuria that in the course of these protests, Ali Harvey Oswald would emerge and assassinate Azimio leader, as was done with President J.F. Kennedy. It was also in line with the grim predictions of Gachagua about our peaceful and legitimate protests. We have taken note of a very unfortunate trend in the use of hired goon against Azimio allies. It's youths from central Kenya who are being used to fight other Kenyan communities. It is youths from central Kenya who are used to invade Northland Farm, beginning of these protests, at the beginning of our protests. And these are the ones who are used to invade Jubilee headquarters recently. They are the ones being told to attack homes of their leaders, and they are the ones who have been used today to attack people and property in different parts of Nairobi. Central Kenya youths are being antagonized with other communities before being eventually isolated and dumped. Despite these developments, we are energized that Kenyans are determined to claim their country. We are marching on. Tomorrow we take a break, strategize and recharge. Our protests will resume on Thursday, the 4th of May. Same meeting, same offices, same petition, same people. And as I had indicated, my colleague